Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Grammarly. You click on settings. In this page, you click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about Grammarly app and you will enter here. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter through the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.